Hi guys, you're welcome back to our channel. So we're currently in the city of Ikot Ekpene in AKWA IBOM State. Yeah, we're excited to visit Ikot Ekpene again, and everything is looking quite new from the entrance, or quite clean rather, from the entrance. As you know, Ikot Ekpene is popularly known as the Raffia City. Yes, a lot of us read about Ikot Ekpene in our textbook, but not everyone has actually visited Ikot Ekpene. And it's one of the most popular towns as far as Akwa Ibom State is concerned. So we just did a drive all the way from Umuahia in Abia State down to Ikot Ekpene. Yes, as you know, Akwa Ibom State have some awesome roads, so don't be surprised at the road network you are going to be seeing on this video. And we went a bit further by taking some drone shots of the town and showing you some specific areas that you need to know. So if you are from this city, do what to rep in the comment section. If you visited here before, do what to rep in the comment section. We will be looking forward to your comments. So if you are new to our channel, you are welcome to our Lane TV. We are your favorite travel family, and for returning subscribers, as always, thank you so much. We truly do appreciate your love for our channel. So let's go check out what the city looks like, have some drone shot of the city, and just show you guys all around the city of Ikot Ekpene. Like I said, it's popularly known as the Raffia City. A lot of us know it as that, and we read about it, but not everybody has visited it. So you can go check out our previous video to do a comparison of what the areas used to look like and what it is currently. We've done about 2 or 3 videos about Ikot Ekpene in past years, so you can go and check it out. So it's still the Raffia City, and a lot of things is happening around here. And some persons even say that Ikot Ekpene is the commercial hub of Akwa Ibom State. I don't know how true that is. It's not on Google, but people feel so because there are a lot of business activity going on all around here, and there are some historical landmark or stuffs that just make it distinct and unique, so to say. One of such things that makes it very distinct and unique is the presence of the 4 Point by Sheraton. Yeah, we're having an awesome drone view of this particular area, so stay tuned to watch till we get to that point. So 4 Point by Sheraton is one particular or iconic structure rather that makes Ikot Ekpene very, very unique. It's unique in the sense that most of the national matches Nigeria play is played in Akwa Ibom State, and most of the times the players are lodged at 4 Point by Sheraton or Ibom Tropicana or Ibom Resort rather. So, but most of the time 4 Point by Sheraton is one place that most of these players are lodged. So it's a very unique structure, and you notice 4 Point by Sheraton when driving into Ikot Ekpene from a far distance. So just to give you a brief summary of towns and cities that borders Ikot Ekpene, is bordered to Abia State, so you can connect Abia State either through the Umuahia axis or through the Aba axis. So from Aba you can connect to Owerri and the likes, and you find your way out, or you go through the what's it called, the Umuahia axis as well. I learned that the Aba road is very, very good now, but the Umuahia road work is still going on. You can go check out our previous video or check out our current video on the current state of that road if you intend to use it anytime soon. And again, it also borders to the Itu road that leads you into now takes you into Port Harcourt rather, from Uyo rather. From Uyo you can connect the Itu road, connect the Port Harcourt road and all of that, so you can exit the town. So but going into Uyo from Ikot Ekpene, there are 2 major roads to use out. You can follow the Abak road or this particular one that we will be using to Uyo today. So that takes you into the normal Ikot Ekpene road when you are going to Uyo, or you go into Abak. From Abak you connect back to Uyo town. But the beautiful thing about all of these things is that the roads connecting these towns are all good outside of the one coming in from Abia. Yeah, the Akwa Ibom axis is very, very good except for the Abia axis. So, and like good roads. One thing that I often say when I'm in Ikot Ekpene is the fact that these roads that is within the town is a dual carriage road, dual lanes for to and fro, 9 street lights, beautiful roads, and just nice roundabouts. Everything just looks good regarding the road network around Ikot Ekpene. That's the beautiful thing about it. So you can drive within the city centers without even any interruption of jumping into any bumps or potholes. That's one beautiful thing I love about the city, and it's looking awesomely clean. So I think the state is doing quite a good job by maintaining the road or keeping the city clean every now and then. And like I said, a lot of business activity is going on around the city. It's quite very busy, and it has quite a good population as well when you talk about AKWA IBOM State. So Ikot Ekpene is one place that has quite a very huge population in the state. So quite awesome. I would really love to spend a night in this city. I don't know when that will be, but hopefully we'll bring that through very, very, very soon. So if you are watching till now and this is your first time visiting our channel, you are welcome to Arlene TV. Do not hesitate to click on the subscribe button. Also turn on notification bells so you can be part of our big family. And for returning subscribers, as always, thank you so much. We truly do appreciate your love for our channel. So if you are based in Ikot Ekpene, let me know if these street lights are working at night. That's why I said I really love to spend a night here. Let me know if the street lights are all working at night. And beyond all of the things we are saying about Ikot Ekpene, there are some specific iconic structures like the Catholic diocese, the church. I think it was said to be one of the first church built in south zone of Nigeria. So it's actually located here. So our drone shot is going to spotlight that for you and just show you a glimpse of how the church area looks like. So those are some of the specific things. They have their mini stadium as well here. So I think maybe the players do a few training here or go to the stadium in Uyo to do a few training. But from here to Uyo is barely about 15 or less than 15 minutes, barely 15 minutes drive to Uyo. So most players, they always lodge at the 4-point Sheraton, make their way to Uyo every single day, or their way to Uyo for the match day proper. So it just makes it a whole lot better. So if you have ever visited, let me know in the comment section, or if something brought you to this place, be it service, tell me your experience. And are the people of Ikot Ekpene very accommodative? Let us also have your view in the comment section. So we will be doing a drive from here to Uyo. Obviously it's an awesome road, and we will be using the Ikot Ekpene road directly, not the back axis. So you also stay tuned for that video because it will be coming up on our channel. So I'm excited to be back in AKWA IBOM State. Like I said, I hope to spend the night here. So if you're from AKWA IBOM State, give me more reasons that will make me come and spend the night in your city. We'll be looking forward to that in the comment section. It was nice moving around Ikot Ekpene and enjoying your good road. Let's go now to Uyo and see what is happening in Uyo. So thank you so much, guys, for joining us on this ride. We look forward to your comment, your review about the city in the comment section. Let's know what you think about it. Give me your opinion, give me your view. We will be looking forward to it. And again, if you are visiting for the first time and you love content like this, you love to see more of cities across Nigeria, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and turn on notification bell.